Hello everyone. Today we'll start to discuss topic on supervisor. A supervisor is a process control system. Supervisor is a client server system that allows its user to monitor and control a number of processes on Unix like operating system. It shares some of the same goals of program like launchd, diamond tools and reunit. Unlike some of these programs, it is not meant to be run as a substitute for init as a process ID one. Instead, it is a meant to be used to control process related to a project or a customer. In the context of Linux, supervisor refers to a process control system. It provides a reliable way to start, stop, and automatically restart process, ensuring their availability and stability. A supervisor stability runs as a background diamond process and acts as a centralized entity responsible for managing multiple processes. There are some functions like process control, monitoring, logging and output capture, process dependency management, configuration management. Now let's do a practical. So for the practical, we need one server. So we have one server that's Ubuntu and is created on AWS cloud. So now it's connecting. Oh yeah, it's connected now. So we have to install that supervisor sudo apt install supervisor. It's installing now. It's done. So let's check sudo systemctl status supervisor. Yeah, it's running and active. So we have to do some configuration or add some task in supervisor. So that will be the run in the background or when it kills, so it will crash. When it will crash, it will restart again. So firstly we will create one program vi mytest.sh. Sorry. Yeah. It's a shell script bin sh. It's a simple shell script we are using now. Do echo hello apps and we are using sleep function, so it will be the sleep for 5 seconds and it's done. So now we will save that. So we'll go to the configuration part, etc supervisor conf. Now we'll create one configuration file sudo vi mytest.conf. Okay, here is already one file, so there is a we are using this configuration to run is a background. We are now saving. So we check now is it running or not. Yes, I pay up grep my test. No, it's not running. So now we start the supervisor. Restart it again. Sudo supervisor systemctl restart. Check the status. Yeah, but it's showing that script is not executed. Okay, so now we have to troubleshoot that. So first one we have to go to that location, home, Ubuntu, ls-lrth. Oh, here's the permission to execute. So we have to firstly we have to give the permission. So how we can give the permission using the ch mode 777 mytest.sh. Okay, now we have to restart it again. Now we have to check the status again. It's running or not. Yeah, here is now nothing error. Okay, so we have to check the logs cd var log. Okay, now tail hyphen f my test out log. Okay, yeah, now it's working properly. So we have done the configuration part. Yeah, it's done for the today. Thank you. Bye bye.